In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a test meeting in Zoom. This quick rehearsal is perfect for checking your audio and video before an important call, interview, or class, and it takes just a couple of minutes. First, open your preferred web browser. Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox all work well. In the address bar at the very top, type Zoom, US, test, and press Enter. This takes you straight to Zoom's official test page, so you don't need to sign in or create anything beforehand. On the page, look for the Join button and click it. This launches a private test meeting. If you already have the Zoom desktop app installed, your browser will ask if it's okay to open Zoom. Go ahead and allow it. If you don't have the app, the page will offer to download it. Approve the download, then open the installer and follow the prompts. If installing isn't an option for you, many browsers also show a join from your browser link on that page. That's a lightweight way to join the test right in your browser without installing the app. Once the test meeting opens, it's time to check your audio and video. If you see a prompt to join with computer audio, look for an option to test your speaker and microphone first. Click it, and Zoom will play a test tone. If you don't hear it, switch the speaker selection to the correct device, such as your headset or built-in speakers, and adjust the volume until it's clear. Next, speak a few words and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your microphone is picking up your voice. If your levels are low or you see no activity, choose a different microphone from the drop-down, make sure your mic isn't muted, and consider moving closer to it. Headphones are a great way to reduce echo and feedback. For video, check the self-view preview. If the camera is off or dark, pick the right camera from the menu, clean the lens if needed, and position the camera at eye level with good front lighting. Avoid bright windows behind you, which can cause silhouette. If your image looks choppy, close background apps to free up bandwidth. You can also check settings for features like HD or background effects if your device supports them. When you can hear, be heard, and see yourself clearly, you're done. Close the test meeting, and you're ready for the real call with confidence.